Hi guys, today we check out the Mitashi Gaming Thunderbolt. A very smart looking device in a very smart packaging if you ask me. I can see my device from this transparent covering and it looks pretty exciting to me. Talking of the packaging, this looks very nice, very international. Like all other Mitashi products, it's a very sleek packaging where I can see whatever the device has to offer me. 9 lakh games using the Android Play Store. And I'm totally excited for that. It's like you can see, it's a device with a gaming console and a touch screen. Very powerful, I may tell you. It's got an Android OS, 512 MB of RAM and a gigahertz of processor with 4 GB of internal storage. I mean, this is something to look out for. It's got boys over here, so I'm sure it's a boy toy. So it's got those latest games that you can play. Yes, I know you can see the sticker here, which means you get 1000 rupees worth preloaded games from EA Sports and Disney. Now, I mean, look at this lineup. This is wow. Need for Speed Shift, The Game of Life, SimCity Deluxe, Toy Story, Smash It, and Cricket T20 Fever 3D Deluxe. All these games come to you free of cost and full versions, mind you, not the trial versions. These come to you along with a lot of old games that we have grown up playing, 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit games that bring back lovely old memories. Mario, Contra, you name it, you got it. I mean, I'm looking forward to playing those games. I'm sure your kids would be looking forward to playing these games and many more new ones. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox this and tell you what this lovely piece has to offer. Okay, so here is the device and it looks fabulous. I mean, the whole grip and the shiny black color, wow, it's very exciting. Let's take a tour of this device, which is powered by Android. It's got these two trigger buttons. My start and select buttons are comfortably placed here. Here is the charging slot by a micro USB and this is the micro SD card slot. So this device has an internal storage space of 4 GB and you can expand it up to 32 GB more using the micro SD card slot. So that is wow. Here's the earphone jack so I can play my movies, songs and games without disturbing the people around me. The power button is placed here and one thing that I really liked about it is the design. I mean, look at this. The grips over here really make sure that my device stays steady in my hands. It's got dual camera, here is one and here's the other, so you can take those famous selfies and do your video chatting too. So let's get this device powered on and start with it. And here it starts. Slide your fingers and it powers on like a breeze. You see all these games right here preloaded for you. So that's the best part. I mean, you take the device and you're good to go. You have email, your browser, your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, messengers, games and YouTube. I mean, wow. My personal favorite any day would be the Samurai. The best part about these devices is that they bring back the old kind of games that we've grown up playing. You actually can play touch games in this as well as these games which need these buttons. Let me show you how. Suppose I start my favorite game Samurai and what actually happens is that when I start playing, let me tell you, this device is powered by a 1 GHz processor and 512 MB of RAM. And yeah, see, I'm using my buttons as well as my touch screen here. So I could use both, and that's the best part. Yeah, I could go all day playing this game. It's so interactive, and it's a wow experience bringing back these buttons married to the screen. So I'm sure your kids will enjoy playing it too. And remember this, when you buy this device for your kids, you are not buying anything that is harmful for them, because when they play with this, they are safe from the harmful radiation that your 3G mobile phone or tablet emits. This is only a Wi-Fi device, so you can browse the internet and do your social networking when you're in a Wi-Fi zone, but your children remain safe from that harmful radiation. So overall, this is a very handy, a very sleek and smart looking device which plays a host of games. It has expandable memory. You can browse and do your social networking with it. It comes with the experience of Android, which is the in thing nowadays. All of this, which is very sturdy, safe, like they say, is a complete gaming and entertainment console. It plays 8, 16 and 32-bit games, so the old school games and the new ones nowadays. Your child is up to date with all the latest games that come in through this device, and after all this, he is still safe. So buy this device for your kid and see the way his love for you goes up manyfold and his friends continue to envy him for this lovely gadget. This is the Mitashi Gaming Thunderbolt. Go for it.
I always used to wait for my dad when he come, and I used to steal my dad's phone, and I used to play games in there. After that, my dad came and gave me a gift, a Thunderbolt, and I used to play games like cricket, FIFA, Need for Speed, and my personal games like Mario, Contra, etc. I use internet browsing in that, and Twittering, Facebooking. I read ebooks and click pictures. The camera is awesome, it's my favorite. I also click selfies. Wherever I go, I take my Thunderbolt with me and I show it off to my friends. I'm loving everything.